Okay, we're going to show you how to fix plastic. We've got cracks on this lid, has broke off, completely broke off. This is a hard thing to try to fix. Bought this off Amazon.
We've not used it yet.
And it's got everything with it. It's got some plastic. It's got, I'm gonna call that staples. All different colors. I don't know what this is. Sanding paper. It's got some mesh with it. Instructions. I think we're gonna pass on them.
Typical man.
Okay, and this is the 220 model. They make a smaller, like 150, and this is just a little quicker. The other one's a lot cheaper though, so. Let's see. So it's got all kinds of different, see how these are bent different. So we want to do like this corner here. I was hoping this was going to be a lot more organized, but it's not. Just put it in there like that. And you'll let it heat up. And you'll see how thick the plastic is. You want to go about halfway through that. Okay. That's fine.
Now explain to us what these little staples are for.
This gives it strength. Instead of just using plastic to like fill it in, you're actually putting metal in it like you'd reinforce concrete. This is kind of the same principle. Like we're just basically reinforcing this area with metal. Now this is very quick. And then we'll just take and break those tabs off when we get done. Grind them off or whatever we have to do. It comes with some cutters. Really kind of needs some flush cut. Let me see what these look like. Yeah, these need flush cut. Flush cuts would be the best. You can order them off of Amazon too. I think you already know that though.
What can you not get on Amazon's a question. Wow, that was really cool how it did that.
Yeah, it just kind of sinks in.
It's like it disappears.
Okay, let's use one of these other types.
And Penny, if you've watched any of our other videos, Penny is our dog that is a barker, so I apologize. It's probably a fly.
Penny! Yeah, this is so easy to do. Penny, here.
Here she comes.
Good girl.
The big brown one.
Yeah, it's kind of like I'm doing surgery right now.
I definitely
let
wouldn't
me
want
see.
to rub up against that. It looks like a torture
Now
device.
this thing right here, this metal, it's not hot. So that's good. Now this is the
pretty
first
cool.
first time I've ever used this.
Mhm.
It's very easy to fix stuff with it, especially plastic, and everything's made out of plastic now. Really, this is. I'll put the price on the thing to show you how much it was. I think it was around $30. Yeah, and the reason we're doing this is we have had a fly problem. So we're trying step by step to get rid of the flies, and we're going to try to post a video on how to get rid of flies. And this is one of the steps.
If you have outdoor trash cans, if you have a trash delivery service, or not delivery, but trash pickup service, keep your lids on.
Yeah, there's actually a who's this thing made by? We've got a thing that you put inside here that sticks to the top.
I don't know if that was the Toro.
Yes, that's what it is. Toro.
Yeah, any of the Toro products are amazing.
Yeah, we've used them for a lot of years. Really had good luck with ants and stuff like that. You just got to do your. You just got to put the
Except
stuff
the fly buckets.
up there. Oh my gosh, I don't want to talk about the fly buckets right now. They work really good, but
Not if you want to sit outside and breathe in fresh air.
They do not smell very good. Let's just say that. They catch a lot of flies very quickly, but we had to get rid of ours.
We actually thought it was making it worse because it was attracting them to it.
Yeah.
So if you had it somewhere where you weren't outside a lot, it would work great. But like out in a barn or something where the horses are.
Yeah, somebody's probably walking, or there's a dog. They are having a time. Yeah, I actually didn't think this would be this easy. This is working great.
It's very satisfying to watch.
You want to do it?
No. I'll let the professional.
I'm the professional now. That's awesome. I like to hear that.
I'm just a videographer.
Ooh, you get a title, huh? Okay, so we've used the bins. Let's see if I can find the other side of the bins. Could be these.
Penny!
Penny, here! Good girl. What are you doing?
That one is Sashi.
She just barks because she likes to.
She just barks because Penny barks.
Okay, you see this one here? This will do this bend.
Ooh.
I think I should have bent it out a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's a mosquito.
Are you sure?
I think so. Okay. These. Now you can actually use a soldering iron, anything that heats these up to do plastic. You can remelt the plastic, and I'll tell you what though, I mean everybody needs one of these fixed toys, just anything plastic. Can't wait to get rid of these flies. Yeah, I love how quick this thing is. Yeah. Good job, Sashi. Good job. I hope I can go all the way through that. And these are actually stainless steel, so they won't rust. More of these. Ooh, those look thicker, don't they? These look thick. I'm gonna try some of these. My surgeon hands are not that very good. All right. I mean, look at it. We're almost done. I thought this was going to take forever. But you want to reinforce it first. And a lot of times you would want to do the inside to make it look, you know, it won't look as bad on the outside. But
It's a trash can.
well, it's also, I want it on these things, and it's a lot easier to do it like this than it would be to do it on the inside, because it would be flipped up and it wouldn't lay how it's supposed to lay. So
There's a bee.
this
Should be.
Should be, don't bother me. Yeah, and we're doing this outside because you don't want to breathe in the smoke either.
Well, we wouldn't take this in the house anyways.
Yeah, if you like watching our videos and you want to see more, please like and subscribe.
It's free.
It's free.
And it helps us.
It helps us help you. Okay. You gotta quit saying so.
That's your favorite word.
Okay.
Okay, and so. Say alrighty then.
Alrighty. Then this is how we take them off. Blah blah blah. And I'm gonna continue to do this.
Both sides.
Both sides. But this is our second trash can. Our other one's over there. The lid's holding up very nicely. This one's missing a piece. Hopefully that does not matter now. I'm gonna get all these taken off here. I'm gonna smooth this out. And then we'll get a picture of that for you. And we'll be done welding plastic. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
To get notified.
Get notified. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I got them all cut off. I'm gonna smooth them out. Okay, there it is. Done.